Okay, from looking from the back, you're going to put the bracket on the left hand side close to the actuator on the bottom where the actuator is. You can see this in the picture. And then using the in the next picture you'll see using the control box on the put it on, and you can use this as a guide to help you see how far you want it to stick out. Then once that's done, then we're going to go to where the holes are on the bracket. You'll see this, and you're going to drill out 7/64 into these holes. This will drill into the base, bottom of the base of the table, and then you will tap using the tap. It's a 1/4 tap to do this, and then there are screws in the bag that you will use to attach the bracket. They're Allen head or 1/8, and then once this is attached, as you can see, then it's just a matter of attaching the control box. As you can see, we'll see next. Yes, control box. There's a screw in the bag that will attach this to the bracket. And once that's attached, and then you can add the battery. This is fairly simple. It just slides into place. You can see here in the picture. You see how everything is lined up with the actuator. And then the next step is to put the foot switch. Of course, you'll see this going up, and this goes into the bottom, as you will see in the pictures that we're going along. It's fairly simple. You just plug it in to the bottom one. Then the next step is to plug the adapter that has a 1/8 phono plug on it. You plug this in, and then from that point you'll see how it goes in. It's the next one up from the foot switch section. Okay, and then you will see that I'm pointing at the actuator. What you're going to do is take the plug from the actuator and plug it into the end of the adapter, and then you're going to use some electrical tape. You can see the picture here where it's plugged in. You're going to use electrical tape to wrap this up to make sure it's secure and it's not going to come out, as you can see in this picture. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the wires and we're going to run it down the side of the actuator, and there's a bar that's not too far, and we're going to wire tie this to the bed, and then wrap it up and wire tie the bundle. And once this is all done, then the battery is all attached and it's ready to go. Alright, thank you, and hope this video helps.